description.
Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for yet another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time, the show where I show you what you could be doing with your instant noodles, should you choose to do so. Got another one that came by way of James from Lakeside, California. This is Maggi Spicy Manchurian. And once again I say, thank you, sir, for the kind donation. So this is from India. This is, I don't know if it's just a Ching's Secret brand term or if it's just kind of the way they call it, but I'm going with it's kind of the used term. It's Desi Chinese. So it's like here we have Chinese American food, right? It's not like what you would have in China per se, but it's more geared towards American taste. Desi Chinese is in the same way. Oh, that's right. Here, let's just bring this over here, because we have to break the block into 4 pieces. That's more than 4, but that'll suffice. And then we've got to add in one of these. Well, and drop this in, and then we're going to cook this for 2 minutes and then hold for 1 minute. Which I think is an interesting deal, but I think that's just to let it chill and soak up more of the liquid. So here comes the powder. A little bit of compression settling, that's just fine. That's what I call it. I have terms that I've come up with, like compression settling. That's when the pack is sitting and the sachets inside are pointed down, which puts pressure on the sachets, and sometimes they will kind of get pushed down to a point where they are kind of blocky. Often the varieties you find in Indian groceries are already expired. These that he has sent have not been, which is kind of nice. But today is August 1st, 2025. Getting close to the 60th anniversary of Singapore. SG60 as they called it. And my top 10 Singaporean list is slated to arrive for everybody on Monday, August 4th. And that means for you, you could go look at that right now, should you choose to do so. You just go to www.theramenraider.com, go to the top 10 list section, and go down to countries, or by country. That should be in there. By the time you're seeing this, you're also going to be able to see the new top 10 Japanese list. So, yeah. You will enjoy that thoroughly. I promise you that much. But, looking forward to a nice weekend. My sister's supposed to come down today. I don't know if she'll be able to, but hopefully she will, and hang out. And hopefully this weekend I get a new camera from a kind donor, and okay, we want to add a minute. Whoa, no, just one start, and then take it off and let it chill for a minute. But it's not chilly, it's definitely hot. I'm going to give it some stirring as I do so. So yeah, it's a day, a good day thus far. Got a letter I got to get out in the mail. I've got a lot of packages that are en route. Got 2 unboxings I need to get done. And Monday, I might be starting a Meet the Manufacturer series. I might. And I haven't done one in a long time. Partially because, I don't know, there's a one side to Meet the Manufacturer that I kind of find to be a bit of a drag. But on the other hand, it gets one style out really quick. Meet the Manufacturer is where I review up to 15 varieties by the same company. It starts out with an interview, short form interview. What I do is I send the company a questionnaire, ask them some questions, and then once I get those back, I do the I'll do the unboxing soon, and then I review every single one. Oh, excuse me. And the company that sent me stuff is YY from Nepal, so this should be pretty neat. I'm excited about this one. Uh-oh. Play. So let's give this a try. Here is our Noodle. Kids are out there watching Yo Gabba Gabba. They brought that back. I like the Noodle. It's got that collapsy kind of gummy. What's weird about this one, I really don't. It's definitely got heat. I'm trying to put my finger on the flavor. This kind of reminds me a little bit of, give it another try. It's not really salty, it's spicy, and it has a lot of, like a masala thing going on. I don't know. That's odd. I don't think I'm a fan of the Manchurian. Because I'm not really keen on this one. And the one from another brand I wasn't super hot on either, so. Not a fan of Manchurian. Uh-oh, he's starting to say banana again. Some scallion. I'm going to do a little bit of basil, a shake. Crushed red pepper. And some sesame seed. I know. I feel very one-trick pony myself lately, but the next couple of them should look a little more interesting. The third one I'm doing today, I've been waiting for a good day to do it, and I think that's going to be today, and I'm pretty excited. So it'll be something you can plan on seeing in 2 days for you, but today for me. Well, thank you very much for watching. The next one you're gonna see, I didn't even see this on their website. This is Nissan USA's Cup Noodles Protein, and I have some thoughts about this. So you'll get to hear those on the next episode. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye-bye.